Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today is part 2 of my review for One Day Saving. And we have 3 stamped cross stitches. We'll start with the biggest one first and get it out of the way. Let me get it out of this bag. Put that up there. And turn it over so you can see the picture. Isn't that pretty? It's like a Woodland Girl, I guess. I liked all the golds and the browns. Autumn type thing. So it is a 40 by 45 and it was, oh, I didn't write it down, probably 1071 like the rest of them, but if it was different I will put that in the description below. But yeah, I just thought this was beautiful, that owl, and you got a squirrel here, and I'm not real sure what that is right there, but she's got feathers in her hair and some kind of leaves, so I just thought it was different. How's that? Has 46 colors for different, has a nice big paper pattern which will match the canvas. Does have the instructions how to start, how to finish. They're all attached to one paper. So you got lots of autumny colors in here. Of course they had to throw in some 310 black and some 3371, which is a brown, dark brown. And there is no 3865, but it looks very nice, very big pattern, very easy to see all the symbols. So yeah, I like these bigger patterns. So much better than having to go out and, you know, especially if you don't have a printer. I have a printer, but I haven't figured out how to make things huge. I know there's got to be a way, but you know what I mean? You have to go someplace and get it all blown up. No, I'm not about that. Let's just do this, right? So it comes with a tool pack. It has a thimble, a poof ball, 5 needles, and a needle threader. And if I can get this stuff out of the way, you can see it's 2 little birds. They look like sparrows. And let's look at these beautiful colors. They're all kind of muted, which is fine. That's what I was... They're all kind of muted. That's kind of what I was going for. I got too much stuff stacked on my desk. I'm telling you. Stuff. It's time to clean the desk again. Put that up there. Now unwind these. I'm not seeing any extra hanks, so perhaps they just didn't have hanks, or they just put everything on cards. Hang on. Got to give it a shake. But I do like these muted colors. They're not bright, vivid. Now, sometimes I like bright and vivid, but not for this picture. So, lots of autumny colors. Very, very beautiful. There's your 3371, I think. Yeah. Very pretty. And the other one, so you got lots of greens and oranges and reds in various shades. You do have a little bit of bright, like yellow orange in 2 different shades, but that's as bright as it gets, folks. So that is awesome. Just love these woody type colors and autumn colors. So I might save her until then. Gonna roll that back up, put everything up here. Let's take a look at the canvas. So it's not too big. It's a 40 by 45. I keep wanting to say 40 by 50 because sometimes that's what I get. But very easy to see. The print on the canvas is good. Nice big key running along the side. It is serged all the way around, and the stitching does not go into the numbers, which is nice, so that you can see them if you need to. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Let's see. Whoop. I'm trying how it measures out. It is 17 3/4 inches or 45 centimeters by 40 centimeters or 15 3/4. Actual picture size is 13 1/4 or 33 centimeters by 15 1/2. So, I mean, if you cut a little bit off the top and a little bit off the bottom, I don't see what the problem would be. Nope, never mind. I was going somewhere with that, but it didn't work out after I got it 3/4 of the way through. I was going to say it'd fit in an 11 by 14, but it's 13 inches this way, so nope. Very nice, though. Very, very nice. 15 1/2 by 39 1/2 that way. But yeah, I think it's going to be nice. It does have some confetti. I'm very sure of that. But you do have some nice rivers of color. Evenly distributed darks, you know, so that one whole side isn't just one color, you know, singly around her. So yeah, I think it'll be fine. I loved it. I just love those colors. I like autumn. Autumn's better than total summer where it's so hot you can't breathe, or winter where you're freezing your little dish cakes off. Yeah. So this is called Colored Eggs and Succulents. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Joy Sunday. They crack me up. What can I say? It comes in the beautiful Joy Sunday bag. All the how to start, how to finish is on the back. Very nice heavy-duty bags. This one was $4.24. It's 23 by 29, and they call it violets. So I don't know where they get eggs. Is that supposed to be a cracked egg with this violet plant that looks more like a creeping violet? Is there such a thing as a creeping violet plant? I don't know. Ours were just on the ground. They didn't like trellis up anything. I don't know. Bizarre. And typical Joy Sunday fashion. Paper pattern will not match the canvas. It's all on one sheet, and then the back here you have the colors. So this has full stitch and half stitch. So the half stitch is your shadowing, that kind of thing. So there's only one shade in half stitch, but it does have 24 colors in it. Let's put this up here. Let's look at those beautiful colors. I always did like violets. Look at these purples. We have 550 purple, my favorite. 552, 327. Gorgeous, gorgeous purples from lights to darks. Little 3371 here, and B5200 is your white. Very nice. It does come with 2 needles, and this is one where the red symbols, that means there's half a strand of this color, 3 strands of that one, 2 of that one. It tells you how many strands you should have of each, the DMC number, and then the number on the actual thread card. So very nice. Beautiful, beautiful purples. Let's take a look at that canvas. And it is teeny tiny. Your little symbols running across the bottom will be different than on the paper pattern. That's what I was trying to get across earlier. But it is very, very tiny. You can read the, if you look really hard, you can read the DMC number. But you can see the symbols. They're bigger than anything. And you can't tell almost that says half cross stitch. So, but this purple symbol that's real light is that half cross stitch. So it's kind of the shading there. But yeah, I didn't think this was going to take very much time at all. It doesn't even call for any back stitching. So that's kind of bizarre. It does have the name, both of the numbers that are on. It has the name that's on the paper pattern and both of the numbers. It is 98 by 118. And measure. It is 11 1/4 or 28 1/2 by 22. Actual picture size is, let's call it at 7 inches or 17 1/2 centimeters by 21 1/2 centimeters or almost 8 1/2. So yeah, it's not very big, just kind of teeny tiny, easy to do. It's a partial, but yeah, for, what did I say that was? $4.24. You can't beat that. No, you can't even buy the threads or the material for that much. All right, now this one, they called it Hydrangeas, and it's another Joy Sunday, and it's another small one, and it's made like the other one. Well, it does have a little bit more back stitching in it, but I just thought they were pretty colored flowers. You know, nice, make a nice little picture for your bathroom. You know what I mean? So, because neither of these are very big. And I was gonna look. Sorry, I needed a drink. I'm running out of spit. This one is 23 by 29. Well, this one is 18 by 25. So it's even smaller. But it has nominal back stitching just around a few flowers here and there. So, just to give it some interest. And it looks like it's got some half cross stitches running along this bottom. It's only one-sided. So, yep, full stitch, half stitch, and back stitch. It has 14 colors in it. And the pattern's all on one side. But you can see where the yellow is. That's where the back stitching is. So yeah, now see, I would kind of up my game, and the center of these flowers I'd put like a French knot or a bead. I don't know, I just think it'd be kind of cool. Or make those into French knots with another French knot in the middle, just so it gave it a little bit more dimension. I don't know, you could go around it in back stitching if you wanted to, but, you know, you do as you want. Let's look at the colors. Well, they're all in one area here. So this is old style. It just, these are the numbers on the thread card. There's no DMC on it, nothing. It does have 2 needles, but very pretty little colors. Just beautiful. You could use this dark color for a background. Not background, back stitching if you wanted to, instead of black. But yeah, everybody's either got black or white, I swear. I must have 50 skeins of black and white somewhere. I know. So this is the picture. Like I said, it's about a 5 by 7 maybe. Let's just take a look. Okay, outside it is 25 1/2 by 7 inches or 18 centimeters. Actual picture is, looks like 5 1/4 or 13 1/2 centimeters by almost just a tad over 7 inches. So it would fit in a 5 by 7 frame, just squished together there. So very nicely printed though, and they're not very big. They're just real easy to do. But see where all those dots are? Yeah, I'd make those French knots and then put like a yellow one in the middle or something. Just be different, and it'd help pick it up a bit. I don't know, some of these things that aren't back stitched, it drives me nuts, because I like to see that definition. You could just really add details to this that this doesn't have, but I get it. This one was $3.92. Why, I'm not sure. It was more and it's smaller. does have two half stitches here, and one back stitch, which is that 3866, okay, which is like a pale, I don't know, it's like a tan. It looks almost pink, but yet it's not. It's like a pale taupe. Then you have white here. So, yeah, you know, do as you please. You know, if you want to up it a little bit, go for it. It's your picture, but that would be really pretty sitting in a bathroom or something, you know, in the summertime. Yeah. So that is all I got from OneDaySaving. Thank you, OneDaySaving, for sending me all these beautiful kits over the past 2 weeks that we did this. They have free shipping on orders over $50. If they have any specials, I'll put that in the description box below. They do have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have custom in diamond painting and paint by number only. And they have paper quilling. They have some beaded cross stitch. They have tools and crafts for all 3 of those. So do check them out. They always have a lovely selection and lots to look at. So thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.